Everybody, how are you guys doing? I wanted to come back with a video real quick because I'm making myself some acorn squash right now, and I thought, what the hell, I'll do a video real quick and show you guys how to make it if you've never had it. But here they are. They're about 99 cents a pound right now, so that was about $1.15 maybe for that. Inside here, which it's already steaming. I've got a steamer. I use bottled water always. It's just me, so I use like a 1.5 bottled waters to steam them. I won't use tap water. It's just who I am. But anyways, I've got cinnamon in there, and I've got some Trader Joe's black peppercorn, a little bit of that grinder in there, and I also put some parsley. I really love parsley. And then I've got Himalayan pink sea salt and some garlic powder there, and yeah, and butter. So that's what it looks like. It's steaming, so you can't really see it, but yeah, just coming back real quick and showing you guys a cool little delicious recipe since these are in season. And if you've never had one, they really are delicious, you guys, and they're really healthy for you. And me and my dog eat it. My dog likes them too. So alright, I'll be back when it gets cooked. Just another tidbit if nobody has steamed or used a steamer before. I have it about at 6 right there. I don't have it full blown, but I have it boiling at kind of a steady boil. I may even turn it down to 5 a little bit. But anyways, I kind of do it that way, and what I do is I just keep checking on it with a fork, and once it's soft and goes all the way through, then you know it's cooked. Alright, you guys, and here's the rapid boil that I have going. And they're probably about 10 minutes away from being done. And I have them at about 5.5. Yeah, that's how they go. And they're delicious, you guys. Hope you try them. Happy holidays to everybody. It's coming real soon. Bye.